Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am actually going to do a review on a contact lens. I know it's something really unusual, but at the same time very usual for me because I wear contacts pretty much every day. But yeah, from past few months I was trying to give a break and try to embrace my actual eyeball color, which is really dark brown that literally looks like black, but this is dark brown. But however, I usually wear Desio lenses. No offense to them, obviously I love their lenses, but at the same time I really wanted to try out something new. And when I was searching on the market, apparently a brand called Irish Beauty did pop up in my homepage. And also at the same time, the best part was like they reached out to me after I liked few of their pictures. Actually, they said that they wanted to send me a pair of lenses so I can try out and I can tell my viewers that if I like it or not. And at the same time, it's a fun thing for me to review because I will finally get to try something new as far as lenses goes, because I have been a hardcore fan of Desio for at least 4 years, I would say. Like at least 4 years. I'm sorry, my camera, I'm trying a new lens and this is being like one of the most embarrassing and annoying thing ever. Yes, it makes my skin look fabulous, undoubtedly, but at the same time it keeps like, because this is a fixed lens, so I can't really zoom in or zoom out at the same time. So I'm trying to do the autofocus and trying to play around with it at the same time when I'm actually doing the video. So I know there will be a little bit of going on in the entire video. Sorry about that. Also, I definitely owe you guys an apology because I have not uploaded in like, I don't even know. I probably uploaded, the last one was on October if I'm not mistaken, and after that I didn't upload any of the videos. There is a reason. I will do a chit chat, get ready with me, so I will talk to you guys about the reason on that video so you will know why I was absent for a while. But at the same time, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And also, if you like videos like this, like reviews and stuff like those, please give the video a big thumbs up. And also, let me know your thoughts on the comment section below. This will be fabulous because I will get a little bit more inspiration to do more videos. So it's actually, you guys will be helping me in every way possible. So that will be awesome if you actually take the second to do that, because it is free. Guess what? It's not gonna charge you anything. It just helps someone. So, you know, that's a good thing. Alright, so that is it for the intro part. I tried to keep it small and precise. I don't know if I was able to because I have to see how long the footage gets. But however, so let's jump into the review portion of it. So at first, the Irish Beauty channel, Irish Beauty, not channel, the lenses. Focus. Okay, there you go. So this is the box looks like, and on the side of it, this will tell you what's the shade of the lens. And then when you open the box, the best part is they actually gives you a carrier for your lens. So this is how these looks like. So this actually comes with a box, so I love that because some of them doesn't come with it. So you apparently have to buy another, like a little case for your contacts, so it's a little extra expense, so you don't do this one for these guys. So that's pretty awesome. And on the website itself, if you want, I can give the link on the description box below. So they actually do ship worldwide, which is pretty awesome. So, and also I have seen like they have sales and stuff going on sometimes around the year. Yes, these lenses are not cheap though. They are, I think, $79 US per pair if I'm not mistaken. But at the same time, okay. But at the same time, these lenses you can wear, I believe, up to 3 months, and they have like all the other options. Like they have daily disposables for 12 months, no, for 6 months, for 3 months, And I think there are these lenses which is like you can use up to 3 months if you're using on a day-to-day basis. But for me personally, it's not recommended at all. This is just what I personally do, is because I have like at least 1,000 different lenses. So what I do is I keep switching on shades. Like for say today I'm wearing gray, tomorrow I'm wearing green, something like that. So what I personally do usually is just keep switching on colors. So for me, my contact stays a little bit longer than 3 months. Like I should say 4 months, sometimes even 5 months. It's not recommended again, but at the same time, I do make sure I change the contact lens solution every other day. Like even though I have like, I just say 1,000, it's not 1,000, it's like about 5 or 7 colors, and pretty much that's what I have running. So what I personally do is take a minute every single night and change the contact lens solutions. It's because this is what I personally use. Like this is not sponsored whatsoever. This is just I like to use if it focuses properly only. There you go. Okay. So I buy this one from Walmart. So this big jar stays at least more than a month for me. So, oh my god, I'm so pissed with this lens right now. Stay at one place. Okay, sorry, I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to my lens. So, yeah, because I'm trying to find out all different settings and stuff, so I don't know however it works, but so what am I gonna do today? I have to see what the time is because I have to actually go to work. So this is the way I am going to work, and what am I gonna do is I'm gonna wear the lens now and I will check in throughout the day. And usually my work time is from 8:30 to 5:30, I should say. Okay. So I should say like my timing is from like around 8:30 to 5:30ish. That's the majority of the time I stay at work or I'm like outside of home, which is the daily basis. So what am I gonna do is I'm gonna wear these lenses up to the time when I come back, and also throughout the day I will try to give you guys checking. I'm so freaking sorry. Let me do something. Give me a second. Okay. I guess now it's focusing. Is it now? No. Okay, better. Alright, so what am I gonna do is actually wear the lenses now in front of you. So then I will actually wear them throughout the day, and I will try to do check-ins in between my work if I get a second. So I will actually do check-ins and stuff, and at the end of the day, when I come back home, I will sit down and do my final checking so I can give you my review and stuff. And if you like it this way, please let me know. It's because I'm trying to figure out what you guys actually enjoy or you guys like to watch. I don't want bacteria in your eyeball. And also forgot to mention one more thing is they do put prescribed lenses as well. So if you have like any myopia that you need to have a prescribed contact lenses, you can get those as well. And their shade range is pretty amazing though. Their shade range is really nice. I love the way their shade range was. So I'm done popping the first one. Let me pop out the second guy. Popping them in. So that, and then pull your eye, tuck it in the bottom. Pretty easy, see? Not hard. So do the same for your other eyeball. So just pull it up, pull the other one down, and like that. Okay, so this is how this guy looks like, and whoa, just look what a change it brings into your eyes though. Let me see. Wow. It looks fairly natural to me. Like if I am doing like a really nice eye look or like I'm popping on lashes and stuff. Wow, I'm actually thinking of popping some lashes. You know what? Let me see if I have time for it. Okay, so let me go ahead and pop some lashes on and I'll be right back. So this is how it looks like when I did put my lashes on. In case you're wondering, I'm using the Flutter lashes and the style is called Irresistible. So this is how this guy looks like. That was a 3-pack I bought. So I'm still on the top one, by the way. It's pretty amazing. It's because I have been wearing these lashes for at least 10 times so far. Like, this is the 10th time I'm wearing these lashes, so it's pretty awesome because I don't even put my mascara on the lashes itself. I do put my mascara before, so when I put my lashes on, I just put the lashes on and I do not put any mascara on top. So I'm loving this so far. And as far as if I feel that I have any contacts on, actually no. As long as I'm not even looking at the mirror, I wouldn't even realize that I have contacts on, which is pretty dangerous. But at the same time, that's what we want. We don't even want to feel that we have something sitting on the eyeball, because that will not be very comfortable for the rest of the day. So what am I gonna do now? So what's the time right now? So this is 8:17 at the moment, if you want to see that. So what am I, oh, so that's my bunny. So, alright, so let's go ahead and start my day. What am I doing? I don't know. Just doing it. Hey guys, so I'm just checking in. Actually at work right now. Sorry about the lighting, but my lenses are doing pretty damn good. Doesn't feel any bad so far. Okay, I will see you in a little bit. Hey guys, time for another checking right now. So yeah, I am and my lunch right now. I just finished eating. So far the lens feels good. Like, it doesn't feel any crazy. I don't even feel there is anything going on in my eyeball unless I was just watching in the camera right now, but it feels good so far. And as my makeup goes, I don't have anything to complain. It's just going fine so far. Yeah, so check-in number 2 is done. It feels really comfortable though, but yeah, that is it for now. So I will check back in a little bit again, and I think that will be the third one, and then we'll do our final checking at night. Hey guys, so I am back finally after the whole freaking day. Yes, I am tired as hell, and right now this is 8:25 in the evening, so you can tell it's been almost over 12 hours at this point. So I am tired. I'm tired as hell. So I came home, I had dinner, and I had some other stuff to do, so I figured out everything and I did all my stuff. So now let's come back to the review portion of the video. So obviously, as you guys saw the checkings, obviously I was at work. So yeah, this lens did stay pretty damn good. Like, I didn't even feel anything. I didn't feel like itchiness or dryness in the eye or anything like that. No kinds of discomfort so far. So I'm actually gonna wear that tomorrow again, just to see if it's just because it's a new lens that's why I don't feel it, or you know how it's gonna go. So that's part for this lens. I'm pretty amazed about how amazing this feels right now, because I feel my eyes looks very, very pretty. Look, I can't stop looking at it. Okay, I know I'm rambling a little bit. I'm sorry about that, but I really like the way it's looking though. Like, not gonna lie. But yeah, my makeup has been like almost gone. Like, there like on my nose there was some areas which kind of like wore off a little bit. My lipstick was like, it's almost gone. So there is just a little, but at the same time I did eat though, so I do eat like a beast sometimes when I eat. So you can definitely tell what has been going on. But at the same time, I have a good news for you guys, and that is this company did give me a discount code for all my viewers. If you use the code PoojaPaul45, I will write it down there so you can see how it would spell. So you can get a 15% discount on top of their other discounts if they have any of them. So when I was actually in the website, so let me see. I am going to the website right now so I can take a look. So as you can see right now, I am just going on my phone. So this is how this is going on right now. They have a buy one get one free sale going on, as you can see. Again, I am just on the website from the link they sent me. I will link that. I link the company name and everything on the description box below if you want to see and buy them. No, this is not sponsored. I'm not paid, nothing like that. Please get it right. I never get any single penny from anybody yet for any of my videos, and I would not do that. If only I like the product, I will talk about it. Otherwise, I wouldn't unless I'm doing a review. For this one, I am doing a review, and yes, I love these lenses. Yes, they're a little bit pricey, but at the same time, if you are a regular contact lens wearer, you would know that these are on your eyes. So you want to wear something which is really like actually good, which is not cheap and counterfeit products. So you want to be very careful on what you put on your eye or around your eye, because these are the eyes and the most important part of your body, I guess. So for me, I think I can actually go to the website again. So their price range starts from $59 in US. So as you can see, if you scroll down, so they have like some other stuff too, like I think those are the eyebrow brush, like I think they're more like the Anastasia brow definer, like from shape wise and the picture wise. Definitely I didn't use them, so I can't tell that, but I am like seeing all these lenses they have. So you have like the 6 months daily wear, you have a 1 month daily wear. For 6 months it is $79, for 1 month it is $59. So they have all these amazing options you can actually go for. So that is it for today. So yes, Iris Beauty lenses are approved by me. So I'm not trying to be Jeffree Star approved. I can't. I'm not a big name like that. But I really like their lenses, and I'm definitely going to try all other colors of the range as well. If you want me to try them, please let me know in the comment section below. And also, again, I will link the website on the description box below, so you can click that link. And also, again, there is a discount code. It's called Pooja Paul and number 45, so you can use that one to have a little bit of a discount. So, and again, this company does ship worldwide, so if you want to, definitely you can use it. Alright, so that is it for today's video. I will see you guys on my next one. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, and also give the video a big thumbs up if you want to see reviews like this more, like, you know, checking throughout the day and all that stuff. I had fun after a million years filming today, so I just need a little bit of support from you guys. So that will be awesome, and I will see you guys on my next video. Till then, stay pretty, stay cool. Okay, so I will see you guys on my next video. Till then, stay nice, stay pretty, stay beautiful, and you are special. Bye!